Excel, clients, members, friends, and family, your health and wellness has always been at the forefront of our decision making, especially through this past year upon reopening with the pandemic and navigating through all of our health protocols and policies. We think we've done a great job, and we want to thank you for sticking with us over the past year, working out in your mask, doing temperatures, and everything that we put in place to keep us 100% safe here. We've had 0 incidences, and our team is so proud of you and thankful that we've been able to work through it. Now that the majority of everyone coming in our door has been vaccinated along with our team, starting Monday, May 3rd, masks will become optional inside Excel Wellness Studio. I want you to do what you're most comfortable with. If you would like to continue to wear your mask during your workout or come in and work out without it, we can pivot your workouts outdoors and enjoy some of this beautiful weather, or whether you decide to continue on with us virtually. Everyone at Excel wants to make sure we're part of your fitness journey moving forward. Thank you. We'll see you guys on Monday.